In this video, we will show you how to pair and unpair your Bliss Remote to your Bliss shades. First, locate the P1 programming button on your shade. On a tubular motor, the P1 button will be on the motor head. If you cannot press the button with your finger, something small like a thin screwdriver will work. On the lift motor, the P1 button will be on the side where the antenna and charge wire are located. You will need something thin and rigid to press the button. On a tilt motor, the P1 button will be recessed in a small hole on the body of the motor. A paper clip will be required to press the button. Refer to the product instructions that came with your Bliss motorized window treatment for additional help locating the button. For this video, we will be focusing on roller shades. Prepare your remote by selecting the channel you would like the shade programmed to. Have the remote ready for the next steps. If your remote appears to not be working, make sure to check that the plastic seal behind the battery has been removed. Press and hold the P1 button on the motor head until your shade jogs once, then release. The shade will beep one time. This shows that the motor is in programming mode. One note about the tilt and lift motors. When pairing, these motors will not beep, they will only jog. In the next 10 seconds, press and hold the stop button on your remote until the shade jogs twice and beeps 3 times. This confirms that the remote has been paired. Now, test your shade by pressing up or down. While rare, it's possible that the direction of the shade may be reversed. If you need to change the direction of the shade, simply hold the P1 button until the shade jogs 3 times, about 10 seconds. Once released, your roller shade motor will beep 3 times. This confirms the direction has been changed. If you need to unpair a shade, simply repeat the same steps to an already paired remote.